Take you out to Myrtle Beach, shall we, Scott? Show you what happened here as that hurricane made landfall and then worked its way off towards the north, quickly now through North Carolina and into Virginia. But you see the sheets of rain there and the wind. This was not a major hurricane, but certainly packed a punch. The good news is that it is moving quickly now off towards the north. And there you can certainly see the kind of sheets of rain there along the shorelines of Myrtle Beach. And again, that rain came in quickly, wind gusts up to about 70 miles an hour in South Carolina, now through North Carolina. Made landfall, by the way, as a Category 1 hurricane at 11:10 last night in North Carolina, and now working its way up through Virginia and shearing apart a little bit, but still plenty of warnings out there, flood warnings and storm surge warnings, as well as tropical storm warnings, hurricane warnings as well. Winds are at 70 miles an hour, so this thing is still holding together and moving quickly to the north and northeast at 26 miles an hour. So it's impacting Norfolk, Virginia. In fact, at this time, a tornado warning now there, and then we'll continue to work through the nation's capital, I should say, and then up through New York and up through near the Boston area over the next 24 hours. So active along the East Coast. Here at home, it was quite active yesterday afternoon and evening as we were dealing with storms along that cold front. Over 2 inches of rain fell in Bloomington. McCordsville as well had heavy rain in Hamilton County. Speedway picked up 2 inches of rain, over 1.5 inches in Fairland out in Shelby County. Warren Park picked up 1.5 inches of rainfall as well. So we had the storms around. We're done with that. We're back to dry weather now. If we see any shower chance today, it will be a stray shower, a very weak chance at best. A really quiet Tuesday shaping up here. That cooler air now starting to advance and drier air beginning to work in, meaning lower dew points. Things will get real comfortable here later on today. Still a little sticky out there this morning, but we'll start to see that drop in humidity throughout the afternoon. I mentioned that stray shower chance, maybe 1 or 2 counties at best. Most of us are going to enjoy a really nice Tuesday, and a long, dry stretch of weather now will begin to take hold today and take us right into the upcoming weekend. 63, our current reading out at the airport. There's that north to northwest wind at 8 miles an hour, and we'll stay with the north to northwest wind at 6 to 11 miles an hour throughout the afternoon. So we're in the low 60s now. Highs this afternoon back up into the mid 70s, so running about 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. So feeling more like mid-September weather later on tonight. Skies clear, by the way, late tonight. The record low tonight is 51, set back in 1974. We're going to get real close to that record low late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and then enjoying a beautiful day, it looks like, for tomorrow as this cooler air now is settling in across the Ohio Valley. Let's talk about these numbers now. Today, 76, just that weak stray shower chance. Tomorrow, dry. More dry weather on Thursday. Thursday, the pick of the week. Heading into Friday, 83. Here we go with the heat. It's back by the weekend. Saturday looks dry, 85. Storm chances on Sunday and Monday with highs in the upper 80s. Britt, over to you.